Presenting a pre-owned 2015 Ford Focus SE. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Ford has less than 74,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 26 miles per gallon in the city, and 36 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, power windows and window defogger.